All right, so today I want to walk you guys through how to turn off the sensitivity settings on your Twitter or X. Side note, in the comments, drop below what you're calling this app. Are you guys calling this X or are you calling this Twitter? Because I really want to know. I still can't get over calling it Twitter. But anyways, to disable your sensitivity settings, you actually can't do it from the app. We need to actually go to the browser version of Twitter X. And to do that, you're either going to just type in x.com or twitter.com and you'll hit go. What that does is it opens up your browser version of the app, and you need to make sure this is where you're at. You can't do this from inside of the app. Remember that. Now, once you're here, you're going to select your profile picture in the upper left-hand side and scroll down to settings and privacy. Inside of settings and privacy, we're going to look for privacy and safety. And then here we'll look for content you see. Now, yours is probably unchecked. So we need to check the section that says display media that may contain sensitive content. That's your graphic stuff, the stuff that, maybe children shouldn't be seeing. And then we also want to go down to the search settings and make sure that hide sensitive content is unchecked. Okay. So that, when we're searching, we see all the stuff that we're searching for. And just to make sure that that's stuck, we will go back here. That's still there. And perfect. Cool. Yeah, so that's how you're going to do it. If this helped, if you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.